Hello friends. In this video, we will see how to send large size of files above 25 megabytes file via Gmail. Normally Gmail allowed up to 25 megabyte size files to send through email. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. So let's get started. Open your Gmail account in any browser that you want. Okay, I have opened my Gmail here. This is a dashboard where we are doing this. Click on Compose button here like this for sending an email. Here mini window opened. Enter the email address here to whom you want to send the file. Then click below on the attachment icon. Okay, this is a file that we will send. As before, let's see the actual size of this file. Just right-click on this file and go to Properties. As you see, this file size is more than 25 MBs. To send this file, just click on it and press Open. As you see, a new dialog box has appeared here to confirm that this file size is exceeded by 2 megabytes and it will send via the Google Drive link. It's going to convert into the drive accordingly. It will take some time, so hold tight. You can do this by yourself before sending mail to avoid this action. Okay, now the file is ready to send. Just click on Send button here. Here, you see the system asks about access to open this file. Currently, it's marked by default for receipt. You can make changes by clicking below accordingly. Then click on Send. As you see, the file is sent successfully. Now we are at Receiver Email. Let's take a look at Inbox to check your email. As you've seen, the email is received. Just click to open it. This is a file that we sent. Now click on it to save it on the computer. As you see, the file is going to download into the computer. That's it, guys. As you see, how we can send the large size of files to anyone via a Gmail account. Thanks for watching this video.